Hi Erie High School students, I'm here to show you how to register for your English 122 class. You'll notice that I am at the Front Range homepage. I am going to click on eWolf. I'm going to log into eWolf with my S number, so you'll need your S number. I have the longest password in history, isn't it cool? So you'll need your S number and your password. And once you get into eWolf, under Student Tools, you'll see Student Tools right here. You're going to click on Add Drop Class. You'll click Submit for Spring 2019. And then you're going to go down to these little boxes down here. You see where it says CRN. So our CRN is our course registration number, and it's a 5-digit code. And your instructor should have given it to you. If you are in Section 280, which I think starts around 11:30-ish, you're going to enter 62853 and click Submit. I'm not going to do that because I don't need to take an English class, but if I did click Submit, I would receive a screen that showed that I had registered for English 122 280, and it will show your instructor's name, etc. So verify that you get into the right class after you click Submit. And if you are in the, what time do you guys start? Like a little bit before 1, around 1 o'clock-ish. If you're in English 122 section 281, the last period, class period of your school day, you'll enter the CRN 65668 and click Submit Changes. And again, verify when the new screen loads that you have the right class. You should be in, again, ENG 122 section 281 with Alex Gallinal. All right, if you guys have questions, please let your instructor know, or you can email me at Beth Wheeler, so that's Beth, beth.wheeler at frontrange, frontrange.edu. Have a great class.